I use garlic almost every day, so when I grow my own, I want it to last as long as possible. Growing garlic takes about 9 months, and after all that time, there's still one more step before it's ready for long-term storage. It needs to cure. And I harvested this garlic a little more than a month ago. When I dig garlic, I try to handle the bulbs carefully. I loosen the soil first and then lift them rather than just pulling on the stems. And once they're out of the ground, I lay them on a screen in the sun for a few hours. I'm not trying to cure them in the sun. I'm really just letting some of that surface moisture dry before I move them under cover. There, they went into my garage. For curing, I'm looking for someplace dry, out of direct sunlight and protected from the weather, with plenty of air circulation. I spread the garlic out on this wire rack and then added a fan to keep the air moving. And then I pretty much left it alone. So we take a look at the garlic, and the tops have gone brown and dry and crunchy. The roots are dry, and the papery covering over the bulbs has become kind of brittle. And that's how I know that this is ready to clean up. First I snip off the roots, cut off the top, peel back maybe the top layer, and I brush off any loose dirt. And it's also ready for storage. Look at the size of that clove. It's massive. This is also a good time to look everything over. Anything that's damaged, soft, or questionable isn't something I put away for long-term storage. I'm going to use those bulbs first. And a lot of gardeners like to save their best ones for replanting in the fall. But since I only grow 60 to 70 bulbs a year, I tend to use them in the kitchen, and I order new seed bulbs every fall. But if I had a much bigger garlic patch, I'd certainly consider saving some for next year. And once they're cleaned up, storage is pretty simple. Garlic likes it cool, dry, dark, and well ventilated. So I keep most of mine in cool storage rather than bringing the entire harvest into the kitchen. Then I just bring a bulb or two as I need to use them. And once your garlic is cured and stored properly, you've got months. And there's something genuinely satisfying about reaching for your own garlic in the middle of winter, when the garden's frozen and you're still cooking with something you grew. And you know what? At that point, you've earned it. If this has been useful and you've made it to the end, thank you. Please hit subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.